I'm Chef Kalel of Raintree Restaurants. I'll be cooking Asian recipes that are easy to cook in the house. So our next dish is called Vegetarian Mapo Tofu. Originally, it has pork or chopped chicken. It depends on your liking, but I made this for the vegetarians. So the ingredients are onion, garlic, ginger, black bean, and chili garlic. This chili garlic, you can buy it in any Asian groceries or in the Asian section in the grocery. Bell pepper, red and green for color, light soy, dark soy, potato starch, eggplant, shiitake mushroom, tofu, sesame oil. Put around 1 tablespoon of oil. Take the onions, garlic, ginger, black beans. Mash the black beans to release its flavor. Let's put our chili garlic. Cook this for around 30 seconds and let's add the water. Let's add a cup of water. Now when it boils, add the eggplant, shiitake mushroom, bell pepper, light soy, dark soy. So light soy is for the saltiness. That's why you use light soy, it's for the saltiness, and dark soy for the color. Simmer the vegetable for like 2 minutes. Let's make a slurry. This is potato starch, but if you don't have potato starch, you can use normal cornstarch. Add around like 1 tablespoon water. Put sesame oil and soft tofu. So my advice is don't be afraid in exploring. Try to innovate, try to research, try to look for recipes that can apply to your daily life. I'm Chef Kalel of Raintree Restaurants.